What's up, guys? We're in the Cobra, headed over to my buddy's place. He's got his GTD came in, so we got a couple break-in miles on it. We're gonna do some, I think, some brake bedding. So it's getting it set up and ready to go to the track. So we are on our way there. Looks really nice. Color is sick. So if you guys haven't seen, I made a video of this car when it got delivered. I'll play a little clip here, but then I'll leave a link in the description for that video in case you guys missed it.
My name is Bruce, and I have an addiction. Mustang addiction.
But I think he's got 180 miles on it, so we're going to do the brake bedding process on it. So all that entails is, so we go 80 miles an hour to 20. We got to pull a G of braking force 15 times, and then we just drive for 5 miles to kind of cool it down. There's the engine. We got to add some oil to her. We'll go ahead and put that in there and see how we go, and then we'll go for a spin. And that's crazy. My car literally looks tiny next to the GTD. That's hilarious. Nice. Yeah. Man, that blue looks so good. I've never seen 315s look tiny, Bruce.